Hey everyone, welcome to the AlgoRobots channel. In this video, we explore algorithmic trading with Pine script strategies and deep backtesting. We'll explain the MACD indicator, build a complete strategy with optional filters, automate your trades with TradeAdapter, and optimize backtesting using TradeOptimiser. Everything comes together on AlgoRobots, where you can subscribe to strategies or publish your own. Let's get started. The MACD indicator is made up of four main parts. The first component is the MACD line. This line represents the difference between two exponential moving averages, usually the 12-period EMA and the 26-period EMA. The second component is the signal line. This is simply an EMA of the MACD line itself, usually calculated over 9 periods. The third component is the histogram. The histogram shows the distance between the MACD line and the signal line. When the histogram is growing, momentum is increasing. When it's shrinking, momentum is slowing down. The fourth component is the zero line. The zero line separates bullish momentum from bearish momentum. When MACD values are above zero, the market is generally bullish. When they are below zero, the market is generally bearish. Now that we've reviewed the MACD components, let's focus on the strategy. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it suggests bullish momentum. When it crosses below, it suggests bearish momentum. Now, we add the first filter to the strategy, the MACD zone filter. This filter uses the zero line to qualify signals. Buy signals are only allowed when both the MACD line and the signal line are below zero. Sell signals are only allowed when both lines are above zero. This filter focuses on reversals from extreme MACD zones. Next, we add the EMA filter. This is a trend filter based on a moving average. We use an EMA with a length of 200 and evaluate the trend using price look-back periods. Buy signals are only allowed when price is below the EMA. Sell signals are only allowed when price is above the EMA. Next, we add the dead zone filter. This filter removes weak crossovers near the zero line. Buy signals are only allowed when the MACD is below the lower dead zone. Sell signals are only allowed when the MACD is above the upper dead zone. The crossover must occur outside the dead zone, using a triple check to confirm signal strength. Now, we add the momentum filter. This filter checks histogram strength. Buy signals require the histogram to grow for consecutive bars. Sell signals require the histogram to decrease for consecutive bars. By default, we use 2 bars to confirm momentum. We add the price filter to confirm price direction. Buy signals require the current price to be higher than the previous price. Sell signals require the current price to be lower than the previous price. This helps remove signals when price does not confirm MACD momentum. Now that we clearly understand what the MACD indicator is, its main components, the core strategy, and the optional filters, it's time to move to the most important part, the real testing results. We started by testing different configurations on each trading pair. The first example is SOL USDT, using the 5-minute time frame on Binance Spot. After several tests, we achieved a 33.27% return, with a maximum drawdown of 9.55%, a total of 26 trades, and a 73% profitability rate. Applying the exact same testing process to ETH USDT, we obtained a 25.84% return, with a drawdown of 11.88%, a total of 24 trades, and a 79.17% profitability rate. We invite you to test the indicator filters and share your results in our Telegram channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do it to stay up to date with our latest content. Before moving on to the results, we recommend using TradeOptimiser. This tool automatically optimizes trading strategies by testing different parameter combinations, such as entries, exits, and filters, and evaluating performance through backtesting. Instead of adjusting strategies manually, TradeOptimiser analyzes multiple scenarios to identify configurations that best adapt to the market and your trading style. This helps you make data-driven decisions and improve strategy consistency. Now we're going to show you how to fully automate your strategy to execute trades across multiple brokers using TradeAdapter. In our case, we'll use Binance with the SOL USDT trading pair, and we'll start by creating a new alert. We select our strategy, give it a name, and then head over to TradeAdapter to generate the alert message. In this example, to demonstrate how everything works, I'll be using a demo account. Once the message is ready, we go back to TradingView and paste it into the alert. Next, we move to the notifications section. I use the webhook URL option, which you can find in your TradeAdapter profile. And this is how we create the alert. After a few minutes, we go back to TradingView, and we can see the log showing the orders executed by our strategy. At the same time, those exact trades are reflected in TradeAdapter and directly on Binance, allowing us to confirm that the entire execution flow is working correctly. This is how we connect and fully automate our TradingView strategy using TradeAdapter, achieving a complete and perfectly synchronized execution. Finally, you can download the source code and copy trade the strategy at AlgoRobots, the marketplace where you can subscribe to others or even publish your own. Remember, before trying to subscribe to any published strategies, you need to load your API keys. Currently, we support Binance and Bybit, with MetaTrader coming soon. Once you have your subscription ready, you'll find the Download Robot Code button right there in the Robot section. It's really easy to subscribe. Just click on Subscribe to this robot, select your pair, your broker, and the order size. Once you're subscribed, you can activate or deactivate the signals for that robot whenever you need to. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future strategies and news from AlgoRobots. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.